Hey everybody, Dave Fontaine here with the Toyota GR Supra. Very popular sports car for Toyota in the late 70s into the 80s. They did an amazing job with keeping some of the features and styling of that era and combined it with some new technology to create what you see here today. I'm going to go through the car with you to show you some main features. Here in the store we currently have the downshift blue, and over here Renaissance red. I'm going to show you a few features starting with the engine. The Supra now comes with a turbocharged 3-liter inline-6 engine, 335 horsepower, max speed of 250 kilometers an hour, which will get you from 0 to 96 kilometers an hour in just 4.1 seconds. We'll take a step back here and we'll show you some of the front end and the lighting system. The headlights, the running lights, and high beams are all LED. Got the large shutters for better air intake and for performance. Lots of sensors here on the front as well. Come over to the side, you can see the 19-inch sport aluminum rims, as well as the Michelin low-profile tires. Larger, wider tires in the back than the front for the sport profile and performance. Near the rear of the vehicle here, you can see we've got the dual exhaust. It's hard to see, but right here you can see the backup camera. Sensors again in the rear of the vehicle. We'll open up the hatch. Quite a bit of space for a sports car. You can see the subwoofers back there. It's got a 12-speaker premium JBL speaker system. Excellent sound system. Let's take a look at some of the inside features. Inside the Supra, you can see that it has adjustable power folding mirrors. Inside we have your soft-tech leather sports car style seating. They're heated front seats, and of course it has seat memory, and they're power adjustable with lumbar support. Inside here we have your parking brake, electronic, so it automatically deploys when you put it into park. We have a few modes. A sport mode gives you a little extra power. Over here you have the wheel that you can toggle for your media. This vehicle comes standard with Apple CarPlay, satellite radio, navigation, dual climate control, and then all the current safety features. As you head over to the steering wheel, you'll see some of those safety features. Lane departure alert being one, where when you're drifting out of your lane, it will warn you. Radar cruise control, so once you're in cruise control, you can choose the distance between you and the car in front of you. Pre-collision system, where it'll brake for you in an emergency. Rear cross traffic alert, where you're backing out of a parking spot and a car coming the other way will warn you. And your automatic high beams and headlights. Also comes with a heads-up display, which everyone seems to really like. Wanted to show you one of the other colors we have here at the dealership. This is the Nocturnal Black with the unique red interior. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call or come on down for a test drive. Thanks again and stay safe.